have been shopping. Well, who hasn't? It's like Christmas and all these sales going on. It's gifting seasons, like clients to me, husband to me to me. So let's do some unboxing. So the first thing I want to share is this Burberry Lola bag. So we recently finally have the Burberry flagship store, and before that, if you want Burberry, you have to buy it online, and it's good to finally have a flagship so that if you want to see anything, try things on and touch, and you can finally have a store. So that's very exciting for people like me. They're like pretty expensive things. And so yeah, this is the new Lola bag. And so there are two options in the store, so there's a few colorways, and I want an alternative with to switch things around with this guy. So now I have this one, and it's pretty much the same size. There's no explanation needed. I just want another one. So yeah, this is the Burberry Lola bag, and so this one has the chain strap, and this one has more like a leather strap. So it's good to have another option. I just want it. And it's just so pretty. You just dress things up with the chain. It just like makes it more boom, you know what I mean? So yeah, and this is New Zealand 3,890. So yeah, can you tell it fits quite a bit? Like, how much can it fit? So, cell phone, wallet, sunblock, keys. Not sure if it fits water bottle, let's see. Oh yes! Did you see that? Fits a water bottle as well. Still can close. So, can bring water bottles. So I can bring water bottles out now from now on. So that's cool, because this one you definitely can't fit water bottle. So good to know. And the next thing I want to share, apart from a black bag, because I do want to collect a few more colorful bags, and pick this up from Michael Kors. It's another lambskin bag, and they told me have a leather protection spray. Apparently lambskin bag is not easy to look after, so wish me good luck. I love it. I love this color. I'm so in the mood for anything blue and brown kind of thing. Like, see, blue and brown is such a good pairing. Like anything brown tone or brown dresses. I have a lot of brown at the moment, so I want to have something from the opposite end of the color wheel to mix things up. Oh, I love this. I'm loving how this looks on the camera. So that's very exciting. That's my blue bag, and like, because I have a few pair of blue shoes, like this one, the blue bag does go really well. So like, see, just a good pop of color, so that's why I want it. What sort of color do I have when it comes to my bag? Black. I have a yellow bag. I have pink from Gucci. I have two pink bags from Gucci. I want a green one next. So that's that. And while we're talking about Burberry store, I also picked up this guy. If you love Burberry, you need to have one of their classic trench coat, and this is called the Kensington. So yeah, this is like size 8. which is perfect because when I was doing the photograph, I was wearing a size 6 and it was perfect, but I was wearing a singlet inside, and right now I have something with sleeves. Right here you can tell it fits better, like over here. And what I love about Kensington is also like this, like the Sherlock Holmes vibe on the collar. So that is really cool. Can't wait to wear it out when it gets cold in New Zealand. But for now, it will look good in my cupboard. This is such a beautiful detail. I love it so much. So that's that. And the last thing I want to unbox with you is this. This is from My Teresa. And where's my cell phone? So I bought this during the My Teresa exclusive pre-shopping because Amina's Begum is always sold out. So as soon as I saw the newsletter pop up in my email, and then I just like, ooh, what is in there? Like exclusive pre-shopping, Gucci Balmain, Amina Muaddi. You said the right word. When I scrolled down, I saw this Begum slingback shoes. I was like, oh my god. And I saw this pair 4 hours after the email popped into my inbox. So I was like, no, there's no time wasted. I'm getting one, size 36. Get it first. If it doesn't fit, I will think of a plan B, but get it first, get it first. So let's unbox together. Did I explain about this? I'm not a psychopath, but this is what I use because it's sharp. So yeah, I'm nervous, I'm excited. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm excited. And what I love about My Teresa, I say this a million times, like if you don't like anything, you can always return it or refund it. But because since all the sizes of this pair of shoes is sold out, I'm gonna keep it. Oh, that feeling. Let me take a moment to appreciate the money I earned to pay for this pair of shoes that I have been wanting for more than a year. We kindly ask you to try on any shoes on carpet surface. Yep. In case you wish to return an item, please. Nope. Why am I so excited? Like, I already know what it is, and because I bought this myself, so I know what it is. Like you can tell, like I know what things are when I know what things are. I'm not. Oh, okay. Can you see the blue and brown trend that I've been going on and on for? Oh, isn't she pretty? If you don't put this on social, did you even have one? Hang on, I will push this camera away so that I can show you the full look instead of me having to crouching down and showing my non-existent cleavage. Okay, see how, oh, that looks great, that looks great. Like I told you, like blue is always another good option to have. Like it's surprisingly versatile, blue, because it goes with blue jeans, goes with any neutral, like beigey kind of outfit, like brown, beige, like for example, like with a trench coat. See how versatile a blue bag actually is. Like, so I thought that, oh, okay, if I wear a trench coat, it goes well with black, goes well with brown, but blue is surprisingly refreshing, but not too like shouty. It is like, whoa, look at me, but not like, hello, I'm here, did you see me? So yeah. that looks like for example, if you go to a restaurant, right, for example, ma'am, can I please take your coat? Let's do an outfit. I just want to put a dress on and see how well it goes with the shoes and the bags. Like that brown blue tone that I have been obsessed with. So, be right back. So yeah, let's say like putting on a dinner dress. This is from a brand I found from My Teresa as well. It's called Dodo Barbo. Like if you know how to pronounce it, let me know. I just know that it's good and I bought it and I'm loving it. So yeah. I think maybe hair after this. Hair up. Back to, yeah, see? Looks amazing, isn't it? So yeah, can totally go out like this. Oh, looks like I knew it already. Look at my nail polish, look at my nail polish. Matching nail polish. So yeah, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I have a few more things to share with you, but I'll put it into the next video. So yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell button as well, so whenever there's a new video, you'll get notified. So yeah, that's it from me today. I'm gonna go out now since I'm all dressed up and I hope you have a good day. See you on the next one. Ciao!